can't touch me it. Them a wonder when me eat and when me drink, make me stuff it. Can't touch me it, can't touch me it.
My name Munyaraji Torongo, born 1992. I was born and bred in Chinoi. I reside in Castrum. You know, it's a marginalized community. We call it ghetto. Yeah, man, there where me come from. My performing name is Agent 007, aka Tabo T, the ghetto comrade. Man, I sing Zim dancehall is my genre, and I'm proud of it. My brethren, them inspired me. You know, I was born in a family of Rastaman. Them used to listen to Bob Marley, Buju Banton, so that's when I started imitating them when I was a little youth. Yeah, man, I performed on many live audiences, man. Yeah, man, I have shared a stage with Squander when I was in Form 3. It was a V-show for my school. I shared stage with King Shadi, Lady B, Shinzo, man. What heap of artists, man. You see? I know, man, music is my passion. Music is it run through my blood, in my veins and my arteries. I sing music, I talk music, I eat music, and I dream music. You know, man. The man, I say you have a passion. So to be committed on the thing you want to do. People, they always fight you and people always talk, but never lose your pride. You see? Yeah, man, because the more they fight you, the more they fuel you. Yeah, man, so just put your all on your music. Man, I wanna reach far, greater heights, you know. Yeah, man, to reach like a skyscraper. You see? Yeah, that was the level me want to reach. I want to be listened to globally. My music, I want to produce music that will be listened across all the 7 seas and the 4 corners of the world. Nothing can stop me, because I believe in myself. Yeah, man, I got a brand new track called Bigger. Yeah, it's for the ghetto youth, you know. The ghetto youth on the shika for the 24-hour, trying to make the 2 ends meet. Yet the system is chasing them, want to bring them down, to lock them up. You see, they want to see the ghetto youth incarcerated. I faced a lot of challenges, my brethren. You know, there's no exposure. You know, people who are listening to are only the people who live in Harare. If you see, if it's the Zim Dancehall artist, the people who dominate it, the artists who dominate the Zim Dancehall awards, they are people from Harare. Sometimes you want to perform, you get sabotaged. They don't give you the opportunity to perform. They want you to perform for free always. But you know, music is my life. Music is my business. My voice is my strength. But sometimes people, they don't see it. They take you 54. You see me, brother? Okay, so that one, you have to listen to this. Kodai naimi, Kodai naimi. Koda indanga ndiri white misiri black. Da indine matatu ku face ne ku back. Da indiri masiwa ndine Econet bank. Disinga tambe na mondi chigara ndine bag. Da isina Kelvin studio sina district. Tisina Taboti, tisina agent. Usafa weta naro ndo sakanda tidai. Usafa wandi pigisa ndo sakanda tidai. Usafa wandi disa ndo sakanda tidai. Koda inaimi, koda izimba ikatanga kungona ya snow. Dai joina city yanga irisi ya so. Dai istigeti iri mpedza namo. Pamwe zvinu zvese zviri bondati. Dai ndaisabva pamashopu ndiri simo. Dai ndanga ndiri venda pamwe ndiri ripo. Dai nsinga manye ngoma chitotamba bibo. Singadhakwe singaroveka nasiso. Kodai sina kepoton, dai sina sizzla. Dai sina Taboti, sina kana preacher. Dai sina mbanje, sina kana rizla. Dai UK yanga iri pamapinga. Chitobaya nemushika pasinga de visa. Bang! Hey man, 007, aka the ghetto comrade. Yeah man, I just wanna shout out to the man behind the scene, my man, my brethren, Kelvin Tech Studios. And I want to big up John Foster and my DJ Yati Kid. Yes, we are a legendary art family. We are God believing sound. We believe in the Almighty I. You know, we are the Rasta, righteous apostle saving the Almighty I. We believe in the Bible, basic instruction before leaving earth. So we not dash away one another for money or for things. We are better the same feather, we polambo lep and the same proximity. Yeah man, no boy could have play with like a DVD, but them follow us like ZBC. Yeah man, we got stars like a jacket of a ZCC, and we got electricity just like ZPC. Yeah man.